Let's talk now about the latest type of load balancer known as classic load balancer. The classic load balancer provides basic load balancing between EC2 instances. It is intended for applications built within the EC2 classic network. Now, you may be wondering, what is this EC2 classic stuff? Well, unlike VPCs where you run your EC2 instances on logically separate networks, with this C2 classic, all instances were running on a single flat network that you shared with other clients. While it's true that EC2 Classic simplified the process of acquiring compute in the cloud, this made for an incredibly complex scenario. Basically, EC2 Classic was the original network architecture in 2006 when AWS launched Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, and as of today, this has all been retired by AWS and has evolved into what we know today. Therefore, the classic load balancer is intended to be used with EC2 Classic, but it can also be used with the C2 and VPC. However, it is recommended to use other types of load balancers, such as application or network load balancer that offer more features. So, let's get to know some of the key features of classic load balancer. It supports load balancing using HTTP and HTTPS, TCP and SSL over TCP. It also supports SSL offloading, so classic load balancer can decrypt HTTPS and encrypted SSL connections. And finally, it also supports fixed sessions using the load balancer and application-generated cookies. These are the main features of classic load balancer. It is a simple load balancer with basic features. So, not to be left out of this course, in the next class, we will see the configuration scenario and implement a classic load balancer.